Welcome to another video. Now in today's video I'm going to provide a solution to this problem. Okay, so we have a, b being positive integers, okay, and a is greater than 0 while b also greater than 0. Okay, so let's get started. Now what we are going to do here is very simple. We are going to write this one as, so we have a plus b, so 45 is the same as 9 times 5. So when we're given AB, the same as A times B. So from here, you can say square root of 9 times square root of 5 with B plus with A. So this one is a perfect square, so which will give us 3. So we have 3 root 5. Now, because of this 5 here, now let's adjust a and b. Okay, so what we are going to do here is let a be, so this 5 times a variable squared, so we have that, and b will be same 5 times another variable squared. All right, now let's do the substitution and see what happens here. So this side will be, so a, that is square root of 5x squared plus square root of 5y squared equals 3 root 5. Okay, so from here we can write this one as square root of 5 times square root of x squared. So this side will be 5 and y, square root of 5 times y squared equals 3 root 5. Okay, so from here, this squared will cancel this squared will cancel this, so I will leave it x root 5 plus y root 5 equals to 3 root 5. Okay, now observe the equation. We have root 5 throughout here, root 5 root 5 root 5. So let's divide through by that. So this side will cancel, this one will cancel, so I'll left with x plus y equals to 3. Now remember, a and b are more than 0, and therefore this side should also be more than 0. Now if this side is x and this side is y, from here, if x is 1, y will be 2, and if x is 2, y will be 1. So we have 1 2 or 2 1. Okay, all right, now let's recall. Now don't forget that a is 5x squared, so a is 5x squared and b 5y squared. Now let's start with the first pair, that is 1 2. When x is 1, y is 2, so when x is 1, this side will be, so if I plug in 1 squared 5, and this side 4 5 20, b is 20. So when x is 1, y is 2, we have these answers. Now let's go to next pair, 2 1. So we have a 5x squared 5y squared. So a will be 5 2 squared, 5 1 squared. So we have a equals to 20 and b equals to 5. As simple as that. Now if a equals 20 and b is equal to 5, now let's verify. So we have square root of a plus b, that is 45. Let's verify. Square root of a plus square root of b equal to square root of 45. Now when a equals to 5 and b equals 20, so let's verify from here. Now when a is 5, so we have square root of 5 plus 20 equals 45. So we have square root of 5 plus, so we change this one, 4 5 20, and this side will be 9 5. Okay, so we have square root of 4 times 5, square root of 9 times 5, square root of 5. So this side give us 2, this side give us 3, 5 2 root 5, 3 root 5. So let's confirm from here. This side is 1, so we have 1 2 3 root 5 equals to 3 root 5. Now since addition is commutative, if I change this one to a equals to 20, b equals to 5, I will still get the same thing, right? So that's that. Now subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. All right.